Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. I love the smell of eucalyptus. So this 30 pack of eucalyptus stems from FAVOWREATH was perfect. I had several projects I wanted to do with dried eucalyptus, and this was more than enough to do all of them. I have this cute little jar that I put some of the stems in that I have on top of a shelf above our bed. So when I'm laying in bed, every once in a while, I get this really nice whiff of eucalyptus, which is so nice. I also had enough that I could put several stems in our shower. So when I'm taking a shower and the steam releases the eucalyptus oils, there's a super nice fresh scent of eucalyptus in there. And I also had a door plaque that needed a little something extra. So I added some dried eucalyptus and some ribbon, and it is perfect for this winter. If you're looking for some delightfully delicious smelling eucalyptus that also just adds such a nice, cute touch to any decoration that you have, this pack is perfect, but that's just my point of view.